For 2 weeks, the United States Senate engaged in a vigorous debate on immigration reform legislation. Like most Nebraskans, I believe the current immigration system is broken. The border remains dangerously insecure, and 11 million illegal immigrants enjoy de facto amnesty. While I thought it was important to debate this significant national issue, I'm extremely disappointed in the limited opportunity for senators to amend the legislation. The only opportunity for the 82 other senators not on the Judiciary Committee to change the bill was through the amendment process on the floor. The Senate voted on fewer than a dozen amendments, despite 2 weeks of work and hundreds of amendments filed. Clearly, we can do better. I offered an amendment that would ensure our border is fully secure. Throughout the Senate's consideration of immigration reform legislation, I have always stressed that if we are going to seriously reform our broken system, effective border security must be a top priority. My amendment outlined 4 specific border security goals that were required to be met within 5 years of its enactment, including full operational control of the border and biometric entry and exit system at all land, air, and seaports of entry. Unfortunately, my amendment did not receive a vote. The Senate's final legislation fails to include tools to effectively measure the results of border security efforts. It also lacks proper congressional oversight, which is necessary to ensure the policy works. Such oversight also provides needed accountability to taxpayers. Additionally, the final bill falls short in adequately defining operational control of the border. It makes it easier for convicted criminals to gain legal status. It provides legal status to undocumented immigrants long before border security is achieved, putting them on a path to citizenship with its many privileges. This provisional legal status comes with almost certain access to taxpayer-funded benefits. For these and many other reasons, I was not able to support the flawed legislation adopted by the Senate. Though I am disappointed with the final outcome, I am grateful for the thousands of Nebraskans who contacted my Washington and Nebraska offices to share their views. I thank you for your continued input and support and for participating in our democratic process.